Good morning, everyone. I'm Sushma from Team Blue. Today I'm going to perform an activity on body language. Yeah, today I'm going to prepare a recipe for the first time, and my parents are going to taste it. Let's see how they react. Today I'm feeling little bored. What to do? Yeah, I'll prepare a recipe, but I don't know how to prepare a recipe. Yeah, let me try it, for God's sake. What to prepare right now? Yeah, I'll prepare carrot halwa. Usually my mother prepares carrot halwa by taking the ingredients like ghee and carrot, next cashews and kismis. Yeah, sugar. Okay. First of all, to prepare carrot halwa, let me keep it back. And then, I should add some ghee. Next, I have to pour some carrot. Okay. What to do? Yeah, I have to add some sugar. Okay. Let me taste. It's not tasting good. I think some more sugar is to be added. I think I can ready it. Okay. Somewhat better. Okay, I have to serve it, I think so. Then, I think I forgot something. Yeah, I have to pour some cashews. Completed. Hey Bhagwan, please hear me. Mom? Dad? What's it, Mom? What happened? Mom, today I prepared carrot halwa for you. What? You prepared? Yes, Mom. And you are going to taste it. No, we don't want to taste it. Please, Mom, please encourage me. Okay. How is it, Mom? How is it? Sushma, it's super. You did well. Thank you. Then give me some gift now. What do you want? I want the chocolate. Okay, take it. I think you all liked it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity.